Hey boys and girls, it's Miss T back with another video. So I hope we all are being safe and having a happy October. As we all know, Halloween is coming up for those of you that celebrate. And today we're going to be doing a Halloween name poem. So what exactly is a name poem? A name poem for me is using each letter in your first name for the first word in every line of your poem. Using myself as an example, everybody calls me Miss T, but my real name is actually Trinity, spelled T-R-I-N-I-T-Y. So the first verse of my poem begins with the word tis. The second verse of my poem begins with the word rambling. The third verse of my poem begins with the word in, and so on. Now that we've got the directions all down packed, I'm gonna actually read my Halloween poem. So the title of my Halloween poem is called Witch in the Night. 'Tis the night before Halloween, a witch was in scout, rambling rituals through the town in hopes that the evil souls would come out. In the dark she lingers on her creaky black broomstick, never heard, only seen when it's time to make her pick. Inching closer behind you as you and your mates are trick-or-treating, taking the ones who she's catching eating. You turn around and scream, run for help. And she's the wicked witch who flees off in the night with nothing felt. So guys, that's Miss T's Halloween poem. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like this activity, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, and also leave your poem if you choose to do so. Make sure that you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you guys have a safe Halloween.